Imagine robots navigating with precision, not using lasers, but using sound. Sonair AS has just unveiled its groundbreaking technology, a 3D ultrasonic sensor that promises to turn autonomous mobile robots into automated guided vehicles. Here are 5 things you need to know about this development. For starters, the 3D ultrasonic sensor uses beamforming, a method common in sonar and radar, to detect obstacles in 3 dimensions by sending out sounds and then listening to them come back. This technology replaces expensive LiDAR systems. Which leads to number 2. The new sensor is expected to cut costs 50 to 80% compared to traditional LiDAR systems used, which makes it a much more affordable option for robotic systems. Number 3. With a 180 by 180 field of view and a range of up to 5 meters, the sensor provides a 3-dimensional point cloud with a resolution of 1 centimeter, offering superior obstacle detection and avoidance capabilities. Number 4. It's already being implemented. There are companies testing this out in warehouse settings right now. And number 5, Sonair plans to start shipping pilot units and then begin full production this year. Evaluation kits are coming, so you'll be able to test this out as well.